Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, I want to unboxing and reviewing stuff to complete the final English project. I'm Lika Wulandari, 21030028, and prodi Matematika, and the lecturer Miss Nora Fudhla, S.Pd.M.Pd. Okay, I start to unboxing and reviewing my pack. I bought a bag which was purchased through an online store, and this bag will deliver by courier on May 16, 2023. Yeah, you can see that. For her packing is very safe because he has a bubble wrap. Wait. Bubble wrap and coats with with fabric and plastic. This plastic and wrap. For the price of the sling bag is 77,000, but because there is a discount to 45,000. At first, I asked my mom can or not to check out this sling bag, and my mom said, yes, you can check out that. So I can check out the bag. The reason I bought this sling bag was because the previous sling bag had begun to break down on the wrap. Let me show you. It can be seen that the sling bag is beige. It is not white. It's beige, and has a very soft and thick material. Also a wet back strap. It's so big. And the cute for me a small pouch for the coin. Coin, yeah. It's so cute. And this is a gift for me, a small pouch that can be put there for coins. And I really like this bag because of its cute shape and have wanted a bag like this for a long time. And this bag has only been used, I think, I went to Basco with my close friend, and when I showed my mom via video call, and she said her bag was so pretty. But there is one thing that I don't like, which is the chain on the bag, because it seems annoying. Yeah, for me, and this I can throw away. It's a bit annoying, but it's okay. I like the inside. Yeah, thank you.